I don't mind saying I roll out of bed and I roll up. Ooh, stretch my back and legs.
Talo Falava guys, welcome back to our another Sunday cooking episode. Special Fatalo for to our Ainga members. It is a rainy Sunday morning. It's coming a little after 6 at the moment. So we're gonna prepare Sunday TUNA. Nothing too fancy, I think. I was told there's fish and some turkey shoulders, KAO, whatever the English version of that is. But hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and I'll see you soon.
I don't mind saying I roll out of bed and I roll up. Ooh, stretch my back and legs. Well, now what did the younger me become? I make some coffee and a plan, and I decide on oats and eggs. Blow my cares away. Ooh, prepares me for the things that come. Yeah, beautiful morning, keep me alive when the darkness comes. Ooh, that kind of a morning. It's the natural feeling that will make it through. I have barely begun moving as I am out through seasonal. Don't break no promises, sing in a key that your body believes. Ooh, I'm making my way out of the city. I need more time in the garden. Beautiful morning, keep me alive when the darkness comes. Ooh, that kind of morning. It's the natural feeling that you make it through. So all I need to hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, it's all I do to hold on, hold on, and it's all I do to hold on. You know I hold on. Ooh, that's all I do to hold on.
Done with the first batch of taro. I don't think it's enough, so I'm gonna put this in the oven now, and then I'll grab another few more, and then we'll bring it down and scrape it and get started on the coconuts. Also, I'm going to be using a lot of these scraps for the pig feed, so we'll get that on the way as well. But yeah, all done. just realized I didn't have any coconuts, so I'm gonna put just a couple. Oh, found one there. Just grab one. Oh, found another one there. How quick that was. Also forgot to mention, guys, yesterday I was planting taro. Just the plot next to the house, as we're reusing that again, so it's a bit of taro planting I did yesterday. Mostly the Samoa low variety. Yeah, that's to ensure we've got a steady supply of taro, but this plot will be mostly for eating, while our plantation where the cattle farm is will be used for the exports. Alright, so I've already got the pig's feed, the pot for the pig's feed on the way, so that by the time we're finished, water will be nice and hot. But need to get started on our second batch of taro. Bam, done. So we've got leftover eggplants from our last cooking episode, and we're going to use that for the pigs that no one bothered to use. Alright, so now that the majority of that's out of the way, I'm going to get started on the coconuts and then we'll go begin cooking. what you call 100% full cream milk. 100% full cream coconut milk though. So that's done. We're gonna let the pig feed stay on the heat for a while, and then we'll just let it die down there. That way everything's cooked properly. But we're gonna start cooking. The time is 8:39. Alright guys, so as I mentioned, a very simple menu today. We've got pork trotters, KAPUVAE, I think that's what it is. I think those are the turkey shoulders, KAO, maybe turkey wings, I'm not sure what they're called. Then we've got the skipperjack tuna, which is the aku, and that's what we'll be using the coconut cream for. So yeah guys, we're gonna get started now. I think we still have enough time because it's a fairly simple menu, so there's plenty. Alright. Just gonna clean it a bit and then we'll put it onto the heat. So pork trotters are one of the more easier recipes because you can't go wrong with it. It's just water and salt. So that's why it's also another favorite to cook, because it's fairly easy. First batch, mostly just the olies, taken out because they're already cooked. Second batch is now in. Now we're going to get started with the other protein. Alright, so now we're going to add the coconut cream, maybe dilute it just a little bit with water, and then some onions, throw it onto the heat. guys, so we're almost done now. Show you guys the food. Alright, skipperjack tuna. Not sure if it's tuna, but skipperjack nonetheless. Swaku. Done. SUPO, KAPUVAE. Very nice. Pork trotters. And what I thought was turkey shoulders, KAO PP, was actually PP. So we roasted that with lamb. Jeez, so cool. So now we're almost done, guys, and then starting tonight. Time is 10:42, so very good on time. Alright guys, so if you made it this far, I just want to say thank you again, guys, for tuning into our channel. Really appreciate it. We've made it to the end, so I'm going to show you guys the results because I'm very tired and I want to get I want to eat. I'm really hungry, so I'll show you guys the results now. So we start off with our SUPO KAPUVAE, which is the pig trotters with pumpkin and watercress. The stock on this is really good. Looking forward to that one. Then we've got our roasted PP turkey tail with MAMOE as well, our taro, and we've also got this dish from Uncle Salubale and Lloyd, which looks like turkey tail with sweet chili and garlic. Everything's looking very good, so it's portioned at the moment, but I don't like portions, so I'm going to eat most of this. But yeah, guys, I'm going to get into this. Can't wait to get into the soup because of the stock. It's really good. And we also have the SUA, which the family are eating now, so we're also looking forward to the SUA as well. But I guess that's it from us, guys. I just want to say thank you again for tuning into our channel. Really appreciate it, and thank you for the support. Also want to say a big congratulations to Moana, who won the Miss South Pacific Islands pageant last night. So big congratulations to her. So we're gonna sign off, guys. Make sure to like, make sure to like, share our channel, guys. Comment below if you've enjoyed it so far. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode, but until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, guys. See you soon.